I'm Dirk Weingartner, and together with my partner, Lauren Sato, we own Beach Bums. People from all over the states come out here to visit. It's mostly a family vacation destination. You know, I think that's what makes it great. We were the first out here to offer golf carts. Prior to that was mostly bicycles. And then the golf cart thing started to take off. It's gotten to the point where it just goes along with vacationing on the island is to rent a golf cart. So we have about just over 60 golf carts, 4-passenger, 6- and 8-passenger golf carts. We also have mokes and gem carts. Here at Beach Bums, we've gone through the process of upgrading, changing out lead acid batteries to lithium-ion batteries. It makes financial sense. With the Trojan batteries, it's actually really simple because they have the same form factor as the lead acid batteries. There's really no modifications needed to install those batteries. They just basically drop right in place. In fact, all the modifications that we made to the carts to get them to reach 25 miles an hour, as soon as we drop lithium-ion batteries in these carts, those modifications aren't necessary anymore. Instead of changing gears, changing to a high-speed motor and a controller, dropping lithium-ion batteries in these carts, basically bring them up to 25 without any other modifications. That aspect is another savings, actually pretty significant savings. And when you've experienced the fact that you're not having to refund money because people forgot to charge their cards, not having to refund money because it didn't meet people's expectations, I'm able to rent more cards because I don't have to keep as many back as spares. I think the fact that the carts with the lithium-ion batteries book up first, I think that pretty much says it all. People are noticing and they're happy to spend a little more to get that cart with the longer range and that charges faster. We really try to provide the best experience that we can for our customers, and the lithium-ion batteries are a big part of that. I would say don't hesitate to go with the Trojan batteries. It's something that will pay for itself quickly.